Hey guys, it's Ashley from MarineMax in Sarasota. I am showing you our 2017 Harris 240 Cruiser that we have for sale at our store. Harris was founded in 1958 by the Harris brothers. This was 60 years of the finest, oldest pontoon, pretty much in the country. A neat feature is that the tri-tune in the middle, you'll see right there in this shot, the middle tri-tune is 1 inch lower than the exterior two pontoons. So when turning, it'll be a smoother and sharper ride. Let's hop aboard and see what she has. Here is your swim platform. She's equipped with a Mercury 4-stroke 150 on the back. It's your swim ladder, very easy to get in the water with the grab handrails right there. Continuing on, look at all this space for family and friends to entertain. Here is your bow wraparound seating as well. Can't get better than this. Perfect entertainer. Got your speakers up front as well. Easy access front door if the kids want to jump in. Here is your helm chair. Very comfortable. Your Polk radio and throttle. This boat is available here at MarineMax in Sarasota. If you want more information, please give us a call. Our number is 941-388-4411. Thank you.